Kasoka Meghalaya Basoka Assam, kila menjur bantau raga Joint Committee, ban penbet ikru kompanyan ya kikali Taurus na baro art liki jilla, kabakan topru kijing mentoy na kakam jungokai. Ya kani karai, na siyam ha kijing yalang jong baro art liki jilla, kabala long mentakasi ka apo artarik menailar, araja apun rio, hakoi na dahara State Guest House har kanapara. Hakani ka Joint Committee, ondan lang ru kinongkit kam jong kiseng nong nya kali Taurus. Hakani kejingelang kabalalam kamanda usembut Menteri Rangba, ubasnya ubalang dar bau Menteri Kesorka Assam, atul bora lembat ki ofisar na baro arjela. Nakal yang Kesorka Meghalaya bal Assam, kin shimru kilat ban pentikna, baka dan ki kali ki biyat lingba ka Meghalaya, syaki wei pat ki benta ka Assam, kum Shabarak Valley, kum juru ki kali na Meghalaya, ki balit lingba ka Assam, syaki wei ki benta ka Meghalaya.
A joint committee comprising the Commission on State-Level Transport Authorities of both states, along with the representative of the Tourist Vehicle Associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Valley to Meghalaya, and similarly, necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other parts of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.